Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the sleep command. The sleep command introduces a pause on the command line or in a script. So if I were to run a command like this, I have to wait 5 seconds for the word hello to show up on my screen, and there it is. Now, more seriously, say you want to watch whatever process is using the largest percentage of your CPU. And you could keep repeating the command to display the changes, or even if you just use the up arrow key to make it easier, or you could let a script do the work for you and include a pause between each command. And that's what I do in this script. So I'm using PSAUX, sorting by CPU and only looking at one line every 3 seconds, and this command up here just adds a header. So if I run this, I get this kind of output, and we can see that the top user of the CPU is the GNOME shell. It's been running a long time, but it's using a fairly small percentage of the CPU. And I'll go ahead and stop that now. The sleep command is generally used to pause for seconds, but it can pause for tenths of a second or smaller, for minutes, for hours, and even for days. So here's just some examples. Sleep 5 is 5 seconds, 0.5, half a second, 2 minutes, 3 hours, or 1 day. Well, that's your Linux tip for the sleep command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.